loved working on this mid-century house in Tyrol Hills. It just was stunning. And what I loved about it most was how I was able to engage the furniture with the room. When I first walked into this room, I realized how large it is. It's just enormous. But what was really peculiar to me was that all the furniture was sort of clustered around the middle of the room. So when you have a large room like this, one important thing to do is to put a heavier piece of furniture on the furthest wall, on a back wall. And that's exactly what I did. I put this beautiful buffet on the back wall, put a lamp near it, hung some art above it, and it really gave me an anchor that was the backdrop for the furniture that sat in front of it. After picture shows all of the furniture completely engaged, completely working together cohesively in one amazing story that not only made the furniture look good, but it made the room look fabulous.